Hello, Sir Patrick and classmates. I am Neil Simon Salinas, and today I will tackle about the basic triangle similarity theorem. The SSS similarity, or the side-side-side similarity, and the SAS similarity, or the side-angle-side similarity. Now, we will tackle first the SSS similarity, or side-side-side similarity. Two triangles are similar if the corresponding sides are proportional. All three pairs of sides have the same ratio. Ibig sabihin, kapag ang dalawang triangle na ang corresponding sides are proportional, ito ay similar. So, let's have an example of side-side-side similarity or the SSS. I'm going to draw muna ng two similarity triangle. In the first triangle, we can see the triangle A, B, and C. And in the second triangle, we can see the triangle D, E, F. Makikita natin na ang side AB ay proportional ng side DE. Then equals, ganun din yung side BC, proportional din ng side EF. Equals ulit. At sa baba naman, yung side AC ay proportional ng side DF. Then, kukunin natin yung given value nila. Sa side AB, ang value nila ay 5 over yung given value ng side DE, which is 10. Then equals, given value ng BC ay 10 over given value ng side EF, 20. Equals, given value ng side AC is 15 over given value ng side DF, which is 30. So, kapag kinuha natin yung mga lowest term nila, sa 5 over 10, ang kanyang lowest term ay 1/2 equals, ganun din sa 10 over 20. Ang kanyang lowest term ay 1/2 din equals 15 over 30. Ang kanyang lowest term ay 1/2. As you can see, it's all equals, having the same measurement of the sides and the ratio. So, we can see that the triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. Let's have another example. Let me draw muna ng dalawang similar triangle. Iba natin yung letter. Then, sa number naman, example number na lang tayo kukuha. 15, 20, 25. Then, dito, 30, 40, 50. Yan. Sa first triangle, we have triangle X, Y, and Z. And sa second triangle, we have triangle L, M, and N. Same process lang guys. Kukunin natin yung side ng XY over side LM. Tapos equals side YZ over side MN. Tapos yung sa baba naman, side XZ at side LN. Tapos, next process, kukunin natin yung given value nila. Sa side XY, we have 15 over given value ng side LM ay 30 equals given value ng side YZ ay 20 at sa kabila naman ay 40. Then, given value ng X at Z ay 25 over given value ng LN ay 50. Tapos, kung matatandaan, kukunin natin yung kanilang lowest term. Ang lowest term ng 15 over 30 ay 1/2 equals lowest term ng 20 over 40 ay 1/2 din. Then, the lowest term din ng 25 over 50 is also 1/2. We can see that the ratio of sides is the same, so they are similar. The corresponding sides of two given triangle are proportional, so they are similar. Ito yun. Laging natin lalagyan yung triangle, similar triangle. We will tackle next the SAS similarity or side angle side similarity. Two triangles are similar if two sides are proportional and the included angle between those sides is equal. Sa SAS similarity naman, yung two sides ng two triangle ay dapat proportional at same ratio. At ang included angles ay dapat congruent. Now, let's proceed to the example of side angle side similarity. Meron akong dalawang drawing dito na triangle. The first triangle is triangle K, J, L. At ang second triangle is triangle P, O, Q. Based sa definition ng topic na to, the two sides of two triangle must be proportion. So, the first side is KJ over the other side, which is PO. Then, equals KL over PQ. Parang kagaya lang siya nung kanina. Hanapin natin ibibigay natin yung given number nila. So, for KJ, ang kanyang given number ay 12. Over sa given number ng PO, which is 36. Equals sa side naman, sa kabilang side naman, KL. Ang given number ng KL ay 15 over given number ng side PQ, which is 45. So, ano na ang next natin gagawin? Parang kanina lang din yan. Same process. Hanapin natin ang kanilang lowest term. So, ang lowest term ng 12/36 is 1/3. Equals lowest term ng 15/45 is also 1/3. Paano ko sila nakuha? Sa first given ay i-divide ko lang sila sa 12. Kaya nakuha ko ang 1/3. At ganun din sa pangalawa, i-divide ko lang ito sa 15. Kaya ko rin nakuha ang 1/3. As you can see, they have same ratio or two sides are proportion. And the included angle between those two sides is equal. And the angle K must be congruent to angle P because the included angles have the same or equal angle which is both 48 degree. So it satisfied triangle KJL is similar to triangle POQ. Now let's proceed to the second example. The first triangle is triangle ABC. And the second triangle is DEF. Ganun lang ulit. Kukunin natin ang two sides ng dalawang triangle. The first side is AB over DE equals the other sides AC at TF. Then, kukunin natin ang kanilang given number. For side AB, ang kanyang given number ay 4 over side DE, which is 8, equals side AC, 6, then side DF, 12. Para makuha ang lowest term nila, ay i-divide natin ang first given sa 4. So, ang kalalabasan ay 1/2 equals, ito naman ay i-divide natin sila both sa 6. And the answer is 1/2 also. As you can see, they are same ratio. And two sides are both proportion. And the included angle between those two sides is equal. So, the angle A must be congruent to angle D because the included angles have the same or equal angle, which is both 30. So, it satisfied triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. Okay, that's all. If you have question, let me know. Thank you for listening.